This video will demonstrate how to handle an underpayment of rent through Xero. From the Xero dashboard, you must first go to reconcile how many items you have in your bank account. You must then pick the bank payment from the left-hand side which you wish to reconcile. In this case, I'll use the payment for £700. You must then use the Find and Match feature on Xero to find the correct invoice. In this case, I'm going to be reconciling the invoice for £800 related to Jeremy Finch. I can see that I've only received £700 in regards to this invoice, and therefore, when I tick the box on the left-hand side of Jeremy Finch's invoice, I can see a highlighted section that says Split. I can now press Split and show that the part payment will only be for £700, leaving below an £100 remaining amount on the invoice. I can then press OK and reconcile it. This will also and after leave a £100 outstanding balance on that invoice.